The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean known for numerous mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. However, there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of any specific secret about the Bermuda Triangle. Many of the incidents can be explained by natural phenomena, human error, or mechanical failures. It has been a subject of various theories and speculations, but no definitive explanation or secret has been proven. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. It has gained notoriety for various mysterious incidents involving ships and aircraft that seemingly vanished without a trace. The mystery surrounding the Bermuda Triangle has captured the public's imagination for decades. Numerous theories have been proposed to explain the disappearances, ranging from paranormal or extraterrestrial activity to natural phenomena such as methane gas seepage, rogue waves, and compass variations. However, no single theory has been scientifically proven, and most incidents can be attributed to common maritime and aviation challenges, like human error, navigation mistakes, and unpredictable weather conditions. While the Bermuda Triangle's reputation for mystery persists in popular culture, it is essential to approach the topic with a critical and objective mindset, considering all the available scientific evidence and rational explanations.